Hey, so today I had a weird thing happen to me. I was first of all, I modified my body armor here a little bit, got to keep it. There was actually a plate in here that was actually coming up and hitting my chin sometimes when I was running and, wrestling around. So put a t-shirt in here. It's much better. I don't know, it's a little bulky, but I'm going to try to find another solution. But somebody threw this backpack at me, and let's see what's in it. I think it's probably a new, it's something like this. I'm pretty sure that's what this was. Let's see what it says here. Look at this. Pretty cool. Protect yourself, Zap Enforcer, extreme voltage shock. Look at the back here. If you guys want to pause it, read it. This looks cool. So I'm going to unbox this, and I think this is going to be my new lightsaber. I think I had one of these in the past. They're pretty good, You can use them for whatever. I mean, it's got a taser. You can charge your phone. Lots of things. So let's get this open and see if it works right out of the box. It's my Benchmade. See if it'll go right in here. Yeah, right through butter. Yeah, these Benchmade knives are really great. I'm going to just cut it right open. There we go. Clear. All right. Whoa. This is cool. All right. Right out of the thing, we got my new lightsaber. We got a Landrin. So even if the power is totally out, this is just a club. You can just club somebody. And I hate to always be violent, but I work in security and I've worked in parole. I've worked in law enforcement jobs, so we'll see. So here's the turn on. So this is a Zap Enforcer. Turn on. Let's see. Right out of the box. These are the different settings. So, my new lightsaber. Pretty cool. Let's see what else is in the box. Turn this off. All right, so like I said, this is, you turn it off and it won't go off by itself. If it's turned on, you got to watch it. You got 3 settings on the light. It takes no batteries. It recharges over here. There's an input and an output, so you can actually charge your phone with USB, and you could actually you charge it with that. I think it comes with a charging cable. So here's the end of it here. Here's the other side. I'm going to take these off. This is a warning sticker here. I'll take it off later. I want to get into what's inside here. I'm excited. I got a new lightsaber. I've always, since I saw Star Wars as a kid in 1977, I've always wanted to be kind of I always thought that I was going to be a kind of like a Star Wars character someday when I grew up. And being that I worked, in security and I was into survival, which I'll go into more of how I got into survival, it just happened. So I'm into, self-defense. I took a Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, took some karate, then I had a refresher when my kids were growing up. I actually got them into it. Oh, well, this is cool. See, here we got an anti-mold chip. Anti-mold chip. What else we got in here? A couple of other anti-mold. So the box is empty now. They give you one of these, which is really cool. Yeah, this is, they give you one for the car. So I'll put it over here for safekeeping into my jackery here. And they give you a nice charging cord. So you don't need any batteries. You can plug it in here. Plug it in. I'm probably going to charge it more but it works right out of the box. It's really good. So there we go. It's plugged in. And you see it also has this where if you had a phone charger, you could just charge your phone off of this in case your phone dies. And then it gets plugged right into here. I'm going to plug it into to my trusty jackery here and see where it goes. All right. So you see there's a blue light on there, so that means it's charging. Charge this up and take the stickers off. Be awesome. So here's the thing that it's cool too. It comes with a carrying case, which should fit on my duty belt here. So I got my duty belt for security and law enforcement work. This, we'll take it off the charger for a second to show people how this works. Yeah, you have it off. And there you go. Goes right in your belt. You know, when you're ready, pull it out. Ready to go. So it works with it or without it. The light is actually kind of dim because there's a sticker. Let's see if I can get the sticker off. Get there with my trusty Benchmade trusty knife. Very bright light. Warning, it says. So hopefully this will go well on my I've got an old one around here somewhere. Probably still works really well. Hopefully this will be a good unboxing on my YouTube channel. All right, there we got that sticker off. There it is. And you gotta get a little bit with your nail. And I usually keep this in the car, but I'll probably keep it on my belt. Some other stickers I'm gonna take off. And we're all ready to go. We got the warning. And there we go. So that is the Taser unboxing on YouTube. If you're watching this on YouTube or wherever, good luck. You know, wish you the best. I hope this helps. I recommend getting one of these if you want. You know, I think I've got plenty of tasers, pepper spray. I mean, I've got a lot of. I could start like almost a little security store because you know, me and my sons have a security company. So. But you know, this is crucial. I think if you give somebody this, they could guard someplace. I don't think, you know, unless somebody has a firearm, you know, pretty much everybody's gonna be backing down. I think you could probably disarm somebody with a knife if you know what you're doing. With this, someone pulled a knife, you could just, you know, just club them, you could taser them. They'd probably just find somebody else to bother with their knife. So that's all. If you're on YouTube, like and subscribe. Show some love to my pages. I'm recording this on two things. I'm recording on my phone and I'm recording on my GoPro. So trying to get different things. This is Guion and I'm signing off. Thanks for watching. See you next time, next video.